Artificial intelligence is already a part of your everyday life, even if you don't notice it. Every time you unlock your phone, scroll through social media, or watch a video online, AI is working silently in the background. But most people still don't really understand how artificial intelligence actually works. So let's explain it in a simple and human way. Artificial intelligence, often called AI, is technology designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing images, understanding language, analyzing information, and making decisions. Unlike humans, AI does not have emotions or consciousness. It works purely on logic, data, and mathematical models. At the heart of artificial intelligence is data. AI systems do not think on their own. They learn from information. Every search you make, every video you watch, every photo you upload creates data. This data becomes the fuel that AI needs to function. First, an AI system collects huge amounts of data. This data can come from websites, cameras, sensors, smartphones, or user activity. The more data the system receives, the more material it has to learn from. Without data, artificial intelligence cannot improve or make accurate decisions. Once the data is collected, the AI begins to analyze it. It looks for patterns, similarities, and relationships. For example, it learns what a human face usually looks like, how certain words are connected, or which actions often follow others. AI does not truly understand meaning. It understands patterns and probabilities. This learning process is known as machine learning. During this process, the AI makes predictions and compares them with correct answers. When it makes a mistake, the system adjusts itself. Over time, by repeating this process thousands or even millions of times, the AI becomes more accurate. Many modern AI systems use something called neural networks. These are inspired by the way the human brain works. Neural networks are made up of layers that process information step by step. Each layer learns something slightly more complex than the one before it. During training, AI systems are shown massive numbers of examples. If the goal is to recognize faces, the system might see millions of images. If the goal is to understand language, it studies enormous amounts of text. Every correction helps the system improve its future decisions. Once trained, artificial intelligence can make decisions extremely quickly. It calculates the most likely outcome based on what it has learned. This is how AI can recommend videos, recognize voices, detect spam emails, or predict what you might want to watch next. AI is constantly learning. Even after deployment, many systems continue to improve as they interact with users. Each click, pause, or interaction provides new information that helps refine the system's predictions. However, artificial intelligence also has limitations. AI cannot think creatively in the way humans do. It cannot understand emotions, ethics, or context on its own. It simply reflects the data and instructions it has been given. This is why data quality is so important. If the data is biased or incorrect, the AI's decisions can also be biased or harmful. This can lead to issues such as privacy concerns, unfair outcomes, or misuse of technology. Looking ahead, artificial intelligence will continue to shape our world. It will influence jobs, education, healthcare, and entertainment. Some roles will change, some will disappear, and many new ones will be created. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It is already here, shaping decisions every second. Understanding how AI works is no longer optional. It is essential for living in a digital world. If you want more videos like this, there are many important AI topics we can cover next. The dark side of AI, AI replacing jobs, AI and privacy, AI in healthcare, AI in education, and the future of humans and machines. If you want videos on any of these topics, comment below and tell me which one you want next. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and support the channel, because your support helps me bring more quality content for you.